Ocean here and James. Okay, we start, Ken. If let's say your background noise, you have background noise, then you off your mute. Other than that, you can turn it on, no problem. Okay, I'm sharing my file already. I am now going to share my PowerPoint slide for today's lesson. Do you see it? Okay, have a focus already, huh? Okay, look, C is here. Adam here. Look, C is here also. Okay. Ah, okay. So let's start now. Let's take a look at this one. Let's take a look at, okay. For James, James, do you know that there's a chat function? Do you know how to key in the message using that chat function? You know, okay, very good. If you need to go toilet break, just go ahead, no worries. You can just key in the function. Say you're going toilet, will be back. The only thing is I just want to let you know not to write anything unless permitted lah. Write anything means don't scribble anything on the PowerPoint slide. Okay? Jera is here. Good. Okay. One more, I think. So it's not here yet. Okay, but never mind. Let's go on. Okay. Lesson is at 29. So you go to the video lesson of 29. You should be able to watch the demonstration. Okay. And then next question, we are going to find areas and parameter. These are the two shapes that you are learning for the level. Then we have question number 1. Okay. Before we start, I would like to share with you some of the prior knowledge before. That means we must know the formula, all that. Okay. Let me give you one slide so that I can have this area, perimeter, all that. Okay. We talk about shapes. We are learning of rectangle. We have square. Okay. And then we talk about area, and we come with perimeter. Area of rectangle, you have to use your length multiplied by the breadth. Perimeter is you must use your length plus your breadth, and then the answer multiplied by 2. Okay, so these are the few shapes that you all have to learn. And then we must know the properties also, properties of a rectangle. Okay, for a rectangle, you have a length, and the length must be a longer side than the breadth. The breadth is always the shorter side. Okay? Then we talk about square. A square has 4 equal sides. How many? 4. All right. Okay. So this about all. And then if you are given area, you must know how to find the length. You must also know how to find the breadth. These are basic knowledge. Okay. The rest of the questions are more to application. Okay, let's start. A rope is 78 centimeter. So piece of rope, it is bent to form a rectangular. So meaning to say, he's trying to tell you that this is the perimeter, which is equals to 78 centimeters. And then this is bent, here is the breadth, okay, which is 10. And then given that this already, will you be able to find the breadth or not? Let's take a look. How to find this breadth? Breadth, length, find the length. This is the breadth. Because this is a shorter part, the shorter part is called the. So you have 2 equal sides, right? The length and the breadth is equal. The breadth and the breadth must be equal. So the 4 sides adds up to give you a 78, right? So what I need to do is the perimeter of 78. I minus the 2 breadth 10, and 10. And then I get 58. So the 58 is meant for two lengths. So I need to divide this by 2 to get down to each length of 29. Okay, so if you don't believe, I go and check back. 29 plus 29 plus 10 plus 10, you will get back to 78. Okay, so this is called the length of the rectangle. But this is not what they want. Can I put here 29? Can I put here 29? Because my answer is 29. What's wrong? Okay, can I put here is 29? Can ah? Ayo, Ivan, today you're not listening. Usually you should pick up my comments very fast. I can sense that you are not very focused. Okay, can I ask the question again? Okay, is my answer 29? No. Why? Why is not 29? Because they are asking you for what? Area of the rectangle. So to find the area of the rectangle, what must you do? Length multiplied by the breadth. So length times breadth give me 290. Okay? Can? Okay, let me check. Who is... Okay, Jera, you have to do correction for some questions. Okay, so you follow me closely. Okay, then that's all. Okay. Number 2, this is a square. You see something here? What did he say? Square. What does square tell you? Square tells you that this is a 4 equal sides. And the perimeter is 80. So perimeter 80 means you have to divide by 4 to find each side. Okay. Which is 20 and 20. So here must be 20 cm. Here must be 20 cm. Okay. The question asks you to find the area of the what? Shaded part. Oh, shaded part. So how to find the shaded part if it is like this? So what I need to do, I have to cut this into so-called a dotted line here. Cut this into half. And then another half here. Correct? This is another half. Do you realize that there's another half I can cut it into according to the line here? And then I want to make them all equal parts. Okay, so to have all equal parts, I have 1, 2, 3 fraction that is shaded. 3 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Can I say 3, 8 shaded? So meaning to say I must find the area, right? So let's find the area of the square. So first of all, area of the square will be 20 times 20. That give you 400 cm squared. Area of the whole square. Okay, all whole square. So how to get down to 3/8? Then I have a fractional. 3/8 is shaded. So to find the shaded part, I get 3/8 multiplied by 400. Then I get down to 150. Okay, that's where I get my 150 here. Okay. Next one. Okay. Let's see, you have not keyed in the answers. Do you do your homework? Do you do homework or not? Don't have. Okay. All right. For those who have not done your homework, I want everyone to look at the chat function. Then I'll record so that next time, when I speak with your parent, I'll tell your parent why. Okay, so probably another thing is I want to start to take, Quick, I'm waiting for your answers. Hmm. Okay. So let's see. Tell me why you didn't do your work. Hmm. Huh? Yeah, you eat lunch. I know you can't be eating lunch the whole day. You all must find time. Okay. Then you should do yesterday. If you know that today you have a tuition in the morning, then you should have do it yesterday. Can you understand? Okay, now I want everyone to do this. Give me your parents' contact number because I need to tell them already. If this happen, okay?
I got try the homework.
Do you keen?
Yes.
Hmm.
It's too difficult. I never learn.
Never learn. Then do you watch the video?
I thought
Hmm.
that it would be much more easier if I try first, then learn it.
Then I know you want to be self-directed, but before you do self-direction, self-directed learning, you must also have some knowledge. How can it be done? Correct or not? Watch how people do it. Okay. Who else? Only James reply. Then the rest how can reply to the chat function. Let's see also, may I have it? Okay. Hmm. Okay. Now you're given 1 week to do. Okay. Try not to do it only when it's Saturday. You're given so long.
But it
Ivan
was,
very cute.
but it's only like what if I yesterday do right, I cannot see. I only have the yesterday's line time list for that day's tuition, but
Ah.
so I cannot see. So Saturday then I can see the
Hmm.
question.
Only that means the system doesn't show question. You sure?
So it only write join now and questions, and yeah, all of it don't have, and all the details, and yeah, all the tuition number what didn't write. It just blank. It just
You,
that day's tuition list. Don't
what?
have don't have the next day's one.
Okay, you try next lesson to fill in before your tuition date lor. That means Saturday is your tuition is your 88 tuition, right? You try to do 1 day before. Check the system. Okay? All right. What is in your hand? Why do you need to wear a glove? Put away the glove and stay focused, okay? Okay. You see, Ivan, you used to be very active and participated very well. Since last week I didn't see you, then this week you come back. You must also be more proactive. Can you do that for us? Ayo, can you do it for yourself? Yes. Okay. Let's see also, don't be shy, just participate. James, you can also participate one. Put your answers into the function. Don't wait for me to call you. Don't be shy. Ah. You are encouraged to participate. Okay. Question number 3. The perimeter of the square is 12. Okay, so perimeter equals to 12 cm. And the perimeter of Q is 20